Hi friends, today for phonics we're going to look at some words and talk about what we notice. So let's go ahead and look on our anchor chart up here. Does anyone know this word? This is the word came. Came. Does anyone know this word? This is the word ate. So we have came and ate. What do you notice about those two words? Both of these words have an E on the end. What kind of E is it? It's a silent E. So let's take a marker and underline those E's. Those E's are going to be important for us today. Both of these words have an E. Take a second to notice the letters that come before the E. What comes before the E? Before the E, we have a consonant. So remember, words are made up of vowels and consonants. So vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Consonants are all the other letters in the alphabet. So we have a silent E, and then we have, before the silent E is a consonant. And notice what comes right before the consonant. Check out those for me. What comes right before the consonant? Right before the consonant, we have a vowel. Our vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So A is a vowel. So we have a pattern here that we are noticing. We have a vowel, and then we have a consonant, and then we have a silent E. That is the pattern that we notice in our words today. Vowel, consonant, silent E. Now, when we have a silent E, we've already went over this once before, but I know that some of you might have forgotten. A silent E kicks the vowel and makes it say its name. Okay? So sometimes we call it also the bossy E. So the bossy E kicks the vowel and makes him say his name. So let's draw an arrow from that silent E to that vowel, because the silent E is going to make that vowel say its name. So when you say this word, you don't say k, a, eh. That doesn't sound right or make any sense. The quiet E, we don't hear it, but it's going to make the vowel say its name. So instead of saying a, it's going to say a. K, aim. And we don't hear that E. Came. Instead of saying a, t, eh, that doesn't make any sense. That vowel is going to say its name because of the quiet E. So we say ate, ate. So let's look at these words over here. These words over here, we have note and bone. Note and bone. Think about what you notice about those words. I see the silent E again. Now let's think, what comes right before the silent E? I see a consonant again right before the silent E. Now what comes before the consonant? What's that next letter? We have a vowel. And we're going to do the same thing. That silent E is going to kick the vowel and make it say its name. So we can also call him the bossy E. He is going to make that O say O instead of ah. All right, so we have n, o, t, note. We don't hear that E. Bone, bone. We don't hear the E. So we have a vowel consonant silent E pattern. And when that happens, that E makes the vowel say its name. We also notice that on each side, these words share the same vowel. So over here we have an A vowel, and then we have a consonant of some sort, and then we have a silent E. So over here today we're going to put all of our words that have an A vowel and a silent E in this column. And over here we have an O vowel, a consonant, and a silent E. So we're going to put all of our words that fall under that pattern on this side. So let's go ahead and draw a line down the middle. Let's sort some words together, and then you guys are going to do your own little word sort. Okay, our first word that we want to sort or decide which side it goes on is made. M-aid, made. Think about where that word could go. M-aid. I hear the A vowel in that word, M-a-d. So we're going to write the word made over here, and we're going to use what we know, what we hear to write that word. I hear M-a, that's that A vowel, M-a-d. And we know that we're talking about quiet E today, and that A says its name, so there's going to be an E on the end. Made. Made. And we see that same pattern. We see vowel, consonant, silent E. And that E kicks that A and makes it say its name. Let's do one more word together. Let's do the word nose. Nose. I hear an O vowel. N-O's. N-O's. And we know there's a quiet E. Nose. And it goes on this side because there is an O, then a consonant, and then a silent E. So that E kicks that O, makes it say its name, and then we don't even hear that E. Quiet E. Okay, today I'm going to give you guys 4 words, and I want you guys to sort them on your paper. So go ahead, while you're watching this video of me teaching today, make your own chart that has A-E at the top and O-blank-E at the top. Split it down the middle. I'm going to give you 4 words, and I want you to decide what side of your paper they go on, and then you're going to take a picture of your work and upload it so I can see. So here are the 4 words I want you guys to work on. Let me just write them on the board. Okay, here are the words I want you guys to write. So on your paper at home, you're going to do A-E. You're going to draw a line. Then you're going to do O-E. So you're just going to make a little chart on your paper that looks like this. The words that I want you guys to sort today, you have to decide what side they go on, are space, space, road, like I rode a horse, space, road, home, and tail. So I want you to make this chart on your paper at home. Look at these 4 words, decide where you think they go, put them on the right side, and then upload a picture of your work. It might be a good idea to pause your video right here so you can see the words and see the chart and do the work on your paper while you upload it. All right. Good luck, and we'll check our work tomorrow.